So how do you import contacts from Yahoo Mail to the Android phone? Let me explain how it works, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So inside of our contacts app, you can kind of like go into this mode where you are inside of the main page, right? You go to the side panel, click on manage and click on the sync contacts, and you can add plenty of accounts. Like you can add account, but we seemingly don't really have the ability to add the Yahoo Mail, right? Or the Yahoo contacts. And that's a bit of a problem because we don't have like a direct approach to do that. So for this, I found that the best way would be to actually use a computer or use a web version of the Yahoo Mail, where you will have the ability to sign in, go to the contacts and click on the three dots next to them and export it in the VCF format, right? So you're going to be able to export them. And once you have the exported file, you can move it over to the Android. And as I've shown you, you can go to the contacts, just make sure we come back, just go to the side panel, click on manage, and you can click on import, and then you'll be able to select the file from your phone, you know, the one which we exported using the computer from our Yahoo Mail, and then we will have the option to use that to import our contacts in here basically. So that's a little bit of a workaround. That's not something which, I mean, it could be done easier, but that's just how it is. I just wanted to explain how it works. But if you found this video useful, just hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads as well.